In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Figma prototype as a GIF. It's a simple process, but there are a few important steps you need to follow to get it right. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your Figma designs beautifully captured in animated GIFs, perfect for sharing with your team or showcasing your work to clients. To start off, you'll want to navigate to Figma's website. This is where everything begins, as Figma acts as our primary tool for design collaboration. Once you land on the homepage, you'll notice the login option prominently displayed. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your credentials, granting you access to your Figma projects. If you haven't logged in before, make sure you have your details handy. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself at the home screen. This is the hub of all your design activity, filled with recent projects and shared files. From here, locate and click on Design. This action will direct you into the area where your Figma files are stored, providing a canvas of creativity and innovation. Next, you need to look for the Action command. Clicking on this option reveals a variety of tools and plugins designed to enhance your workflow in Figma. For this tutorial, we're particularly interested in incorporating a plugin to help with our GIF creation. The plugin we need is called Figmotion. Use the search function to find it quickly. Once Figmotion appears in the results, click on it to initiate the next phase of the process. Figmotion is a fantastic tool that facilitates animation within Figma, making it a great choice for creating smooth, eye-catching GIFs from your prototypes. Now, with Figmotion ready to go, you'll want to click on Run. This is a crucial step, activating the Figmotion plugin within your Figma workspace. As it launches, you'll see options and settings that allow you to customize your animations, turning static designs into dynamic displays. Throughout this process, take your time to explore the features Figmotion offers, adjusting settings to suit your design needs. Whether it's setting keyframes or tweaking animation durations, Figmotion provides the flexibility you need for creativity. Once satisfied with your animation, you will follow Figmotion's instructions for rendering your design as a GIF. This often involves setting your export parameters correctly to ensure the best quality output. Keep an eye on the frame rate and resolution to match your project's specifications. And there you have it, a snapshot of how to transform your Figma prototypes into GIFs using Figmotion. This method is an excellent way to visually communicate your ideas, helping others see the flow and interaction of your design. Whether for sharing with colleagues or presenting to clients, having a GIF of your prototype can simplify explaining complex design concepts. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I encourage you to experiment with Figmotion to take full advantage of what it offers. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.